Lesson 16, Goals and Ambitions.
What are your goals for the future?
My goals for the future are teacher and engineer.
What do you want to achieve this year?
This year, I want to achieve a teacher.
What motivates you to reach your goals?
I am motivated by my parents.
Lesson 17, Pets.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What is your pet's name?
My pet's name is Chert.
How do you take care of your pet?
I take care of my pet by myself.
Lesson 18, Reading.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I like reading.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Who is your favorite author?
My favorite author is J.K. Rowling.
Lesson 19, Music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Ed Sheeran.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play guitar.
Lesson 20, Internet.
How often do you use the internet?
I use the internet every day.
What do you usually do online?
I usually learn about English.
Do you think the internet is important?
Yes, I think the internet is important.
Lesson 21, Social Media.
Which social media platforms do you use?
I use Facebook.
How much time do you spend on social media daily?
I spend about 5 hours on social media daily.
What do you usually post about?
I usually post about education. Lesson 22, Movies and TV shows. What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is If.
Do you prefer watching movies?
I prefer watching movies because the movie is relax for me.
What is the best movie you have ever seen?
The best movie I have ever seen is The Wolf of Wall Street.
Lesson 23, Books and Literature.
Do you prefer fiction or non-fiction books?
I prefer fiction books.
What book are you currently reading?
I am currently reading The Giver.
Can you recommend a good book?
Yes, I recommend Hang the Moon by Jeanette Walls. Lesson 24, Language Learning.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
Why are you learning English?
I am learning English because English is world language.
What is the most difficult part of learning a new language?
The most difficult part is hard to learn new letters. Lesson 25, Cooking and Food. What is your favorite cuisine?
My favorite cuisine is salads.
Can you cook your favorite dish?
No, I not.
Do you prefer eating at home or dining out?
I prefer eating at home because I like to stay at home.
Lesson 26, Nature and Environment.
Do you like spending time in nature?
Yes, I like spending time in nature.
What is your favorite natural place?
My favorite natural place is the Amazon forest.
How can we protect the environment?
We can protect the environment by protect natural habitats.
Lesson 27, Shopping and Fashion.
Are you interested in fashion?
Yes, I am interested in fashion.
What is your favorite clothing brand?
My favorite clothing brand is Bandana.
Do you prefer shopping online or in stores?
I prefer shopping online.
Lesson 28. Travel experiences.
What is the best place you have ever visited?
The best place I have ever visited is Italy.
Do you prefer traveling alone or with others?
I prefer traveling alone.
What is your dream travel destination?
My dream travel destination is Colosseum.
Lesson 29. Holidays and festivals.
What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is New Year's.
How do you celebrate it?
I celebrate it by my friends.
What is a popular festival in your country?
A popular festival in my country is Thingjian.
Lesson 30. Art and culture.
Are you interested in art?
Yes, I am interested in art.
Who is your favorite artist?
My favorite artist is Leonardo da Vinci.
Do you enjoy visiting museums?
Yes, I enjoy visiting museums.